Hi kids. Today we're going to be learning a new rhythm. This is an eighth note followed by two 16th notes. Now this may look kind of familiar because we've already learned two 16th notes followed by an eighth note. And we learned that they were 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. Now let's say that we decide to flip that around and bring that eighth note in front. So here's my eighth note from my pair of eighth notes, 1 and I bring down the first one. It becomes 1 or stays 1. And here are my 16th notes, 1, E, and A. And I'm going to take those two 16th notes at the end of that bundle and bring them over here. And so I still have the and A. And the resulting rhythm is 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Now, where it gets tricky is when you see them side by side. Let's take a look. So here I have my 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and my 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. That's going to be the most challenging part of this week's assignment. And I'm going to include this cheat sheet in your assignment so that you can look back at it to help you. So let's take a look at an assignment that involves those rhythms. So here I have Reading Rhythms 9, and you're probably going to use this same video for Reading Rhythms 10. So I'm starting off, and as you can see, here I have a combination of an eighth note followed by two 16th notes. So I'm going to ask myself, is that 1 and or is that 1 and a? And again, I can look back at that cheat sheet to see. So you'll be going along and you go, well, I know that this is 2 and this is either 4 and or 4 and a. And again, look at that cheat sheet. Happens to be 4 and a. So you'll look and you'll say, okay, well, it's either B or C. The tricky part is deciding, is it a 1 and a or a 1 and? Is it a 4 and a or a 4 and? Now, as you go through the assignment, you're going to see more of that type of rhythm with a combination of 16th note with an eighth note. And again, there will be two usually that you can narrow it down to, but you really need to make sure you're selecting the correct rhythm. Here are those rhythms again, and the combination again, and yet again. Now, you want to get a 5 out of 5 on this assignment. If you don't, you can redo the assignment. If you're confused, rewatch this video or take a really good look at that cheat sheet to help you out. I hope you have a wonderful day.